Everyone knows the alphabet, but is that enough to understand the pronunciation of English? The answer is no. English has two worlds: writing and pronunciation. In the world of writing, we have the alphabet. This is what everybody knows. And on the other side, we have sounds. These two worlds are connected, despite they are different. The sounds of English are represented by special symbols. As you can see in the background, we're going to analyze some of them for you. They appear in the dictionary when we are not confident about the pronunciation. This is one of the reasons it is very important to learn them. As a consequence, I want to talk to you about the sounds of English, part 1. This video is mostly about the vowels. Let's begin. First of all, the sounds of English depend on two important aspects: the position of the lips on the tongue and the duration of the pronounced sounds. For example, ah, ah. You pronounce ah while opening your mouth big, and it has a short duration. For example, mother, mother. Up, up. Ah, ah. You pronounce ah with a position for an O. The mouth is not very open, and the duration is long. For example, father, father. Clocks, clocks. Ah, ah. This is a sound between ah and while opening your mouth not so big. This sound has a short duration. For example, family, family. Badger, badger. Uh, uh. You make these sounds with a position for an O, the mouth is not very open, and it has a short duration. For example, computers, computers. Internet, internet. A, a. You can make this sound a while opening your mouth big, and the duration is variable. For example, bed, bed. Eggs, eggs. E, E. E is a sound with a short duration. For example, ship, ship. Chips, chips. E, E. The sound E has a long duration. For example, sheep, sheep. Cheap, cheap. This difference between E and E can be seen in this and this. This. O. O. O is a sound similar to O in Spanish. The duration of this sound is short. For example, rocks, rocks. Hot, hot. O, O. O is a sound similar to O in Spanish too, and the duration is long. For example, sol, sol. Call, call. U, u. The sound U is a sound with a short duration. For example, bull, bull. Put, put. Ooh, ooh. Ooh is a sound with a long duration. For example, boots, boots. School, school. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. More videos coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.